Cutting board set. This set offers a complete solution for your food preparation needs, combining functionality with modern design. Double-sided chopping boards. Each board has a textured, knife-friendly surface on both sides. Non-slip feet. Keep boards securely in place while cutting. Elevate knives. High-quality Japanese stainless steel with integrated tool rest for hygiene. Slimline case. Stores knives and boards neatly, saving counter space. For chopping boards. For elevate knives. Paring knife. Serrated knife. Santoka knife. Chef's knife hygiene. Integrated tool rests and separate chopping boards prevent cross-contamination. Durability. High-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance. Mini Bag Sealer is a small, handheld device designed to quickly and easily seal open bags. It's perfect for preserving the freshness of snacks, leftovers, or any other food items stored in plastic bags. Heat sealing. Most mini bag sealers use heat to create a strong, airtight seal on the open end of a bag. Compact design. These devices are small and portable, making them ideal for home, office, or travel. Rechargeable battery. Many models come with built-in rechargeable batteries for convenience. Cutting function. Some sealers also include a built-in cutter for opening bags' magnetic back. This feature allows you to attach the sealer to your refrigerator for easy access. Preserves food freshness. By sealing bags tightly, you can prevent air, moisture, and bacteria from entering. Automatic water dispenser is a convenient appliance that simplifies the process of getting water. It comes in various types to suit different needs and preferences. Offer hot and cold water options. Typically connect to a water supply line. Often have a water filtration system. Designed for use with large water bottles, usually 5 gallons, electrically powered to pump water. Portable and easy to use. Compact and stylish. Often have a built-in water tank. May offer hot, cold, or room temperature water temperature control. Ability to dispense hot, cold, or room temperature water. Water filtration removes impurities for better taste and health. Child lock. Prevents accidental hot water dispensing. Energy efficiency. Vacuum sealing machine is a kitchen appliance designed to remove air from food bags before sealing them. This process helps preserve food for extended periods by preventing oxidation and bacterial growth. Air extraction. The machine draws air out of a sealed bag. Heat sealing. The open end of the bag is sealed using heat. External vacuum sealers. These are the most common type, with a vacuum chamber that sucks air out of the bag. Chamber vacuum sealers. The entire bag is placed in a chamber and the air is removed before sealing. Food preservation. Significantly extends the shelf life of food. Flavor retention. Protects food from freezer burn and maintains taste. Space saving. Reduces the volume of food, allowing for better storage. Multifunctional vegetable cutter is a kitchen tool designed to simplify and speed up the process of preparing vegetables. It typically comes with a variety of interchangeable blades to handle different cutting tasks. Interchangeable blades. These include options for slicing, dicing, shredding, grating, and julienning. Container. Many models come with a built-in container to collect the cut vegetables. Safety features. Often include a food holder or pusher to protect fingers. Compact design. Most are designed for easy storage, time saving. Quickly and efficiently cuts vegetables. Versatile. Handles a variety of cutting tasks. Safe. Reduces the risk of accidents with sharp knives. Space saving. Air fryer with a glass tray is a variation of the popular kitchen appliance that uses hot air to cook food. Instead of the traditional non-stick coated basket, it features a glass tray for cooking. Easy to clean. Glass is generally easier to clean than non-stick coatings. Or brands of air fryers with glass trays. Visibility. You can easily monitor the cooking process without opening the fryer. Even cooking. Glass distributes heat evenly, ensuring consistent results. Healthier cooking. Some users believe glass is a healthier option than non-stick coatings. Fragility. Glass trays can be more prone to breakage compared to non-stick baskets. Weight. Glass trays might be heavier, making them slightly more difficult to handle. Would you like to know about? Multipurpose electric frying pan is a versatile kitchen appliance that can perform various cooking tasks beyond traditional frying. It often features adjustable temperature settings, removable parts, and non-stick coatings for easy cleaning. Non-stick coating prevents food from sticking and makes cleaning easier. Removable parts for convenient cleaning and storage. Versatile functions can be used for frying, sautéing, steaming, and even grilling. Lid. Some models include a lid for simmering or steaming. Space saving. Replaces multiple pans and pots. Convenience. Easy to use and clean. Energy efficient. Often consumes less. Food wrap dispenser is a kitchen tool designed to hold and dispense plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or wax paper. It typically includes a built-in cutter for easily tearing off the desired length of wrap. Countertop. These are freestanding units that can be placed on the counter. Drawer-mounted. These fit inside a drawer, keeping the dispensers out of sight. Built-in cutter. A sharp blade for precise cutting. Non-slip base. Prevents the dispenser from sliding on the counter. Roll holders. Securely holds multiple rolls of different types of wrap. Magnetic strip. Some models have magnetic strips to hold the cutter in place. Would you like to know more about specific models or brands of food wrap dispensers?